guys!
Good morning and welcome to a day at the beach with us.
It's second day that we are here. We actually was here yesterday. We enjoyed it without any vlog or something. But then we got the idea. We did actually a workout here yesterday. So we was like, but why we don't share this training as the beach with you? So that's what we're gonna do today. And as you see, we just came in, put some oil, you know, just gonna be a little bit with kids. And see you soon when we're gonna start our workout today.
Yeah.
And here we go, all of the team is ready and we're gonna start our warming up like 8-10 minutes and then we do our trainings workout today.
Yeah, I'm actually feeling excited.
It's gonna be kind of a little bit harder workout because it's a lot of sand here and we're gonna do it in the sand, not like close to the water. We're gonna do it in the hard place. So I hope that you're enjoying it and hope that this video can help you
to get motivated.
Or when you are bored on the beach, maybe. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. We start like this, like how we do home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Now, like this. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really hard training in the sun. Okay. Look Adam. Look now, look.
I want
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bra, du gör det. 13, 14, now we can push out together. Do as much as you can. Up. 2, 4. Daha hızlı beklesin. Ready? Hadi neresini yarayacağız? İkram mama. Doğru. Cheers, guys.
It's never tasted this good, actually.
We have 1 or maybe 2 exercise, and then we're gonna finish it with a really good swim. And that's all of the workouts for today. So let's continue. Yes,
Training is done.
thanks to the God, the training is done, and it felt amazing with this evening on the beach.
It was a little bit hard.
It was but at the same time, it was the best things that you can do at this time on the beach. We actually trained, also it was serious training actually, even if it was with the kids, kind of like laughing with them, but I was enjoying it at the same time.
Yeah, it was amazing.
So we done actually with the training, and to finish this training in the best way, it's of course, how could you miss some water? This was actually just some new idea that we get to do. I don't know if like you like it or not. Just I hope that you commented,
Yeah.
and if you like it, hopefully we can do more. So take care.
Maybe Joe will take me to the gym next time.
You never know. She's getting motivated. So let's see.
Okay.
Cheers, guys, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Nereye gidiyorsun?